In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font and color in Weebly. Whether you're seeking a subtle change or a thorough refresh, customizing your site's typography is an effective way to convey your brand's personality and enhance overall readability. First, you'll need to log into your Weebly account. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard where you'll see the website that you want to edit. Look for the Theme tab, typically located in the top navigation. Clicking on the Theme option will direct you to the area where you can manage and modify your site's look and vibe. Now that you're on the theme page, you'll notice various options, but for our purpose today, go directly to Change Fonts. This button is usually visible once you've selected the Theme tab. By clicking here, you're opening Weebly's comprehensive font customization panel. It's a powerful tool that gives you control over the look and feel of the text on your site. Inside the font customization panel, you'll see different text elements listed. Let's focus on an important one, paragraph titles. Click on paragraph titles to access a dropdown where you can select specific fonts for your headings and subheadings. Weebly offers a vast array of fonts, so take your time to scroll through and pick one that best matches your website's tone and style. Whether you're looking for something formal or fun, there's likely a font to meet your needs. Once you have clicked on paragraph titles, a drop-down menu appears. This menu is where you can browse through the variety of font options available. Click on the drop-down, and as you explore the different font types, you'll see a live preview on your page, which is an excellent way to immediately see how each font impacts your site's design. Be sure to select a font that harmonizes well with the rest of your site's content. After customizing your fonts, you might also want to change the font color to better fit your design palette or enhance readability. The color choice is equally important in maintaining brand consistency and ensuring your text stands out against your site's background. Look for the color swatch usually located alongside the font options. Clicking on this will bring up a color picker, allowing you to select from a global color range or input specific color codes if you have them in mind. Once you are satisfied with the font and color adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. A Save button, usually at the top corner of the page, cements your new design preferences. Double check your site's appearance to make sure everything aligns with the image you want to project to your visitors. And there you have it, a simple way to personalize your site by altering fonts and colors within Weebly. Thanks for joining me today. By following these steps, your site will not only be more visually appealing, but will also deliver a better user experience.